Right, we have an epic car in the studio today. This awesome blue V12 Vantage S, and it is getting a track pack. Let's go.
Delete the vents so you can get a nice tuck in into the vent hole, stops the edges coming around. Time for the carbon.
Oh yeah, look at that.
No edges.
No edge at all.
Yes, the final piece of the side. Ooh.
Now it's time to individually wrap these pieces on this carbon. All individual pieces. Ready to go on.
So the Aston Martin is now complete. We have done a track pack on it, so which includes headlamps, bumper, carbon fibre areas at the front, including all these little bits, splitters, grills, all these individual vents all been done. Obviously bonnet, wings, these sections of carbon, mirrors, A-pillars leading to the roof line, full length side skirts. We've also done a custom areas here because they had loads of yellow manky old film on it basically because of the age. So that's all been removed. And then we've done behind the wheel arches as well. So anything that kicks up behind the wheels has been done. Windscreen too. It was a tricky one, I must admit. These wings are really, really difficult to do. If you know about PPF, you know how hard these are to do. And especially as it's baby blue, which yeah, you can see everything, every single tiny bits of dust in the film, you can see it. Thankfully we've got none in the film, it looks great. So I'm really pleased, but what a tricky car it was. But very, very happy indeed.